Welcome to the future of cooking. Imagine a world where kitchens are run by robots, effortlessly churning out gourmet meals with precision and ease. Today we're exploring the latest generation of robotic chefs and how they're transforming home cooking. Meet the new breed of robotic chefs. These culinary marvels are equipped with advanced technology that sets them apart from traditional cooking methods. From chopping ingredients to cooking and even plating, they are revolutionizing how we prepare meals. Did you know that Americans spend an average of 10 hours per week on household chores, including meal preparation and cleanup? Imagine reclaiming that time. With robot chefs handling these tasks, we can enjoy more moments with our loved ones. These robotic chefs not only prepare meals but also clean up afterwards. Think about the hours spent washing dishes and cleaning the kitchen. With robots like robotic vacuums and dishwashers, household chores are becoming a breeze. Integrating robot technology into our home has reduced our stress levels significantly. We now have more free time to spend together as a family. With chores off our plates, we can focus on hobbies, exercise, or simply relaxing. This newfound freedom can lead to a more fulfilling lifestyle. However, the rise of robot chefs isn't without challenges. The cost of these gadgets can be a barrier for many households. While prices are dropping, they still represent a significant investment. Moreover, some argue that robots lack the creativity and intuition that make cooking a personal experience. Can a machine truly replicate the love and care that goes into a home-cooked meal? Finally, we must consider the ethical implications of robots on the culinary workforce. As these machines become more prevalent, what does that mean for chefs and kitchen staff? The future of cooking is bright. Imagine robots that learn your preferences and customize meals to meet your dietary needs. Cooking alongside a robot chef could be an interactive experience, teaching us new techniques. Beyond the kitchen, robotic technology could revolutionize food production and distribution, making healthy and sustainable meals accessible to all. The rise of robot chefs is undeniably changing the way we cook and eat. As we embrace this culinary revolution, we must balance innovation with our cherished traditions. What do you think? Are robot chefs the future of home cooking? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.